Now what I want to show you is how to properly install your automatic vacuum cleaner. Once we've adjusted the valves to the proper position, the most important thing to remember when installing this, you want to bleed all the air out of the hose. If you have any air left in the hose, it will get sent to the pump and your pump could possibly run dry. In order to avoid that, there's two methods you could use. Put the vacuum in the pool, try to get as much air out of it as possible, and then just hand over hand, straight down into the water, fill that hose up. And if you've done it properly, there will not be any air left in the lines, and water will come out. Now all you have to do, plug it up to your vacuum port, and it'll take off. Option number two, if you don't want to take the time to empty the air out of the line hand over hand, what I prefer doing, it's a bit quicker, find one of your returns that is returning water to the pool and simply stick the hose in front of it to fill it with water. All of the air will come out of your vacuum, and once it starts sinking to the bottom, you'll know it's full. I think we're good.